Wala na naman kuryente. Paano na productivity ko?
Don't worry. May solusyon sa problema mo.
Ano?
Meet the EcoFlow Portable Power Station. Ang perfect home backup tuwing walang kuryente. May maliit at may malaking portable power stations supported for your needs. All EcoFlow power stations are ready to give your productivity kahit sukuan ka man ng kuryente mo. Una, River Series is perfect for your on-the-go lifestyle because of its portability. River 2 Max has 512 watts per hour capacity at meron namang 500 watts output. Next, ang River 2 Pro na may mas onting pasabog. Hindi yon. Meron itong 768 watts per hour capacity at 800 watts naman per output. Next, ang River 3 UPS, the new 3. Meron itong 245 watts per hour capacity at ang upgraded na 10 milliseconds future for time. At ang panghuli, ang totoong heavy lifters, the Delta 3 series. The good thing, lahat ng models na to is solar panel compatible, portable, at ready for emergencies. Let's break it down. Whether it's for storm prep, remote work, or just peace of mind with an EcoFlow unit that fits your lifestyle. River 2 for essentials, River 3 for smart homes, and Delta 3 for the full setup. A-powered with EcoFlow, your home backup solutions.
Be, yung customer mo, kanina ka pa inaantay.